do is take out the stem. And it's really easy, and it's on a little toothpick, just like that. Now, I'm just going to use regular acrylic paint, and I'm using the Martha Stewart brand acrylic paint. And I'm going to paint my pumpkin. And I'm going to do this to both of them because there are two pumpkins. I can already tell this is going to need 2, maybe even 3 coats. So I'm going to let this dry and go ahead and start painting my next pumpkin. So I'm going to paint them white with white Waverly chalk paint that I got at Walmart. And I'm not going to be perfect with it. I'm just going to give them a quick little coat of white paint. Try to get in their creases, but it's okay if I miss some. Okay guys, this is what he looks like so far. And I can't really paint his feet because I have to have something to hold on to. So I'm going to let him dry, and then I'm going to paint his feet. I'm going to go ahead and paint the other ones. Okay, so while I'm waiting on my pumpkins to dry, I got this skeleton garland. And I'm going to use 3 of the little skeletons. And I'm just going to cut the top of their little heads off where they're holding the string. And you can do this with your scissors. You don't need any special tools or anything. It's not really hard plastic. It's very flimsy. So we have 3 skeletons that look like that. Cute, right? He's missing an eye. See that? I have 1 that's missing an eye and 2 that have full eyes. Okay, so here's what the charger plates look like after they're completed. Aren't they really, really pretty? And I did 2 of them. Now, I've already got a set of these in my home. So I'm going to make these into a cake plate and a cupcake plate. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. I'm going to get my pumpkins that I painted. Now, you guys can use E6000 with this if you would like, but I'm just going to use hot glue, and I'm using the, what do they call that glue? The hot glue, Gorilla Glue sticks is what I'm using. And I'm just going to put some hot glue on the bottom of my painted pumpkin. And then I'm going to flip it over and put it straight in the center of my plate and press it down just like that. And hold it there so it'll dry. Super, super adorable. Okay, and then I'm going to put some hot glue on this pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead and place my other pumpkin directly on top of that pumpkin and press it down. Now, while I have it like this, I'm going to go ahead and put some embellishments on. A piece of my scarf left, and I'm just going to fold it up where the edges aren't cut. And I'm just going to wrap it around right here in the center and tie it like a little scarf. just like that. I'm going to tie it in a bow. Or excuse me, in a knot. Not in a bow. Just like that. Just to give it a little more definition. I think that's really, really cute. Okay, next I am going to add hot glue to the top. Let me get another glue stick out. Whoops, dropped it. Add some hot glue to the top here. I'm putting a lot of hot glue because I really want this to stay. I do not want my cake to fall off. And I'm going to put this plate directly on the top. Just like that. And press it down. And this Gorilla Glue should really hold this plate nicely. And I'm back it up some so you guys can see it. Now, I'm going to put my little skeletons on here. I'm going to glue their little feet down. I think I want him kind of like that. So I'm just going to put glue on his little feet. And go ahead and glue him down. That's so cute. Isn't that cute, y'all? And I've got 3 little skeletons. So I think I'm going to do this one hanging off the plate just like that. I think that would be super, super cute. Like he's trying to get the cake. And I think I'm going to put it where he's like standing on this guy. So I'm going to put some glue on this guy's little head. So he can be just like that. Kind of climbing up this little guy. And I'm going to put some glue on his little feet. Make sure he stays in place. I'll slide him up into there first. And then put his little feet down on the plate. And that guy's climbing on him to get to the cake. See if I can zoom out some for you. How adorable is that? Isn't that super cute? Hey guys, it's all done. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at this little skeleton. Isn't he so cute? He's so cute. And then I want to show you these. Turn it this way so you guys can see these little skeletons. Look, they're so cute. So cute. Now, the way you use this
is you want to wipe it off with a damp rag. You do not want to get your pumpkins wet. You can seal your pumpkins. I didn't, just because I know I'm only going to use this for little cupcakes and a cake. But I put my cupcakes down on the bottom, and I'll put my big cake up on the top. And the little skeletons are trying to get the cake on the top. I think this is absolutely adorable. This is probably going to be my favorite DIY ever. What do you guys think? Do you love it as much as I do? Because I think it's adorable. Please remember to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video.